Hey guys, welcome back to Waka Waka. Today I'll be showing you how I converted these two pairs of socks into a face mask. This is another DIY that can be done in few minutes with basically items that can be found at home. You want to make sure that your socks is large, stretchy and clean. I started by cutting off below the heel of the sock. Then I did another opening at the front, starting from the instep to the cuff. I folded in one side of the sock and did an opening of ½ inch away from the side and 2 inches deep, and I did the same for the other part. And did another cutting above the nose to round off the edges, and there you have it, a sock made into a face mask. Thank you for watching, guys.